Hey, it is day 86, my speaking challenge. I'm talking on camera every single day until get fluency in English. By the way, today is the middle of June. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Yeah, today is the day when we all supposed to listen and sing this song. My main goal in life right now and my main hobby, just my business, what I'm doing is learning English every day. The first question, some people believe that television has a negative impact on children and should be avoided. I firmly believe that children cannot learn something really useful by watching TV. I think it is more like entertaining things, just to spend your time by watching cartoons, and parents need to keep this under control, what exactly a kid will watch, and to educate your kids, you'd better use books or other materials, but not watching TV. Even internet, YouTube, it is much more better and effective. What does the male student think about new computers in the library? Yeah, the committee of the university had decided to renovate and to replace old computers by the new ones. Briefly speaking, male student just didn't satisfied by this decision because he doesn't understand was the goal of replacing computers, because the previous, the oldest was in pretty good conditions. There was no need to replace all computers. They worked properly, and it was perfect for doing like students' job and for searching, for studying. It was absolutely brilliant, and moreover, all the students have their own laptop and own digital gadgets. So he thinks that university could spend this money more rationally. Third task, explain how the concept of cultural dimensions theory is illustrated by the comparing the cultural dimensions of the US and Japan. Cultural dimensions theory considers the way of communication inside the specific culture, like cross-cultural communication. And looking at example of Japan and US, we will break down it a little bit in two different categories: individualism and collectivism. Looking at US, we will witness that individualism play the main role in among society. It means that first of all, everyone cares about themselves and their immediate family. In the contrary, Japan is more about collectivism, when since early childhood, since early years, kids are taught how to interact to people more like a pleasure way and work in team and care about everyone who you're surrounded by. Question number 4. What are the benefits of online networking? Yeah, with the developing internet, it is much more easier right now to communicate online, and for businesses, there are several noticeable advantages of working online. First of all, this is the easiest way to communicate with anyone around the world and making communities, chatting, talking, having fun, just and not only in official way, just you can find friends and business contacts in unofficial online environments, right? For example, in some group chats, I don't know, or the same pages on Facebook, the same like groups, we can discuss and find friends. The second point is that right now for business, even for your personal brand, it's much more easier to become visible, increase your visibility online, because first of all, you need to create a clear profile what will represent all your characteristics, all your skills and experience. You should emphasize your like exactly what can you do and what people can get from like watching you, from following you, or for buying your products. You can establish yourself as an expert or as a creator, as a maker some products and sell this successfully online. Middle of June, officially. Okay.